Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to enroll TagMango user on paper form submission. So let's suppose I am running an online business and for that I am collecting my potential clients with the help of paper form. Now whenever there is a new form submission, I want to automatically enroll this as the user in my TagMango account. Now as I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Paperform and TagMango. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Paperform from where I will receive new form submission, and then in my action application, I am going to take TagMango where this user will be enrolled automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to enroll TagMango users on paper form submission. And here I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect between Paperform and TagMango, which means whenever a form submission will be made in Paperform, a user will be automatically enrolled in TagMango. And now to check whether this automation workflow is working fine or not, I am going to make form submission in Paperform. And if a user is created in my TagMango automatically, this means the connection that we have created is successful. So let's quickly open my form in Paperform. So this is my form and I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is Edmin, my last name is Lead, my email address is edminlead@pabblitudes.com, my mobile number is this, and my city is Bhopal, and then I have to click on this register. Now here I have successfully done the form submission and this user should be enrolled in my TagMango automatically. So let's quickly open my TagMango account. This is my TagMango account and from over here I am going to refresh this page once. And here I can see that I have instantly and automatically created this admin lead. The email address was adminlead@pabblitudes.com. So this is how this automation workflow will run. And now to see how to set up this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to enroll TagMango users on Paperform submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Paperform and TagMango with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to enroll TagMango user on paper form submission, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created and I want to select this forms automation and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to enroll TagMango user on paper form submission, which means whenever a paper form submission will be made, a user will be automatically enrolled in my TagMango account, which means whenever a paper form submission will be made, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever paper form submission happens and then action says do this, then enroll TagMango user. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take paper form. And then in my trigger event, I have to take this new form submission. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Paperform, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Paperform with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection. And to make this connection, let me open my Paperform account. So this is my Paperform account and this is the form that I'll be using. Here on the right hand side I can see this edit option, so I will open this. And on the top I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this after submission, and then I have to click on this integrations and webhooks. Now if I scroll down I can see this webhooks. I will open this and then I have to click on this add webhook option. Now over here I have to provide the same webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that over here. And then in my triggered on, I have to select this as new submission, because whenever a new form submission will happen, this webhook should trigger the workflow. Now I have to click on this create. So we have successfully added this webhook URL in this form. And now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to submit the form in paper form, and if Pabbly Connect captured that response, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Paperform and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. So I am going to open my form in Paperform and do a test submission. For that I have to click on this share, and then I have to open this form. And now I'm going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is New, my last name is Lead, my email address is newlead@pablitudes.com. Then my mobile number is this, and my city is, let's say, Indore, and then I am going to click on this register. I have successfully submitted the form, and all these details should be captured and received in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down I can see that I have received the response. So the first name was New, last name was Lead, email address was newlead@pablitudes.com, phone number was this, and the city was Indore. Now as soon as I have done the form submission, I have received the response here in my Pabbly Connect workflow. This means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Paperform, that is successful. And now whenever someone will fill the form, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect workflow. Now I have to move to my next step, that whenever I receive new Paperform submission, I want to enroll this as user in my Tag Mango. So here in my action application, I am going to take Tag Mango, and then in my action event I have to take this migrate user and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, click on save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to get this API key, we are going to follow the help desk. So we first have to navigate to automation, then platform integration. So let's open my Tag Mango account. So this is my Tag Mango account. On the left hand side I can see all these options. First I have to click on this automation, and then I have to click on this platform integration. Now over here I am provided with this Pabbly Connect API key which I need to copy and paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save. So Tag Mango is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is name, and I am not going to enter this manually. Instead I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from Paperform, and when I click on this name field I can see this Paperform, and when I click on this I can see all the responses that I have received from Paperform. Now I first need to enter my name, and my name was New Lead, and then I have to put space between these two, and then I have to enter the phone number. So I will follow the same process and enter the phone number, and then I have to enter the email address. So the email address that we received in our response was newlead@pablitudes.com, and then I have to enter the Mango ID. So to get this we have to enter our Tag Mango account. So we'll open that. And here on the left hand side itself I can see this mangoes, where I have to search for my Mango ID. So over here, basics of PHP, this is my Mango ID which I need to copy and paste that over here, and then I have to enter the coupon. So we'll visit the Tag Mango account again, and on the left hand side I have to click on this marketing, and then I have to click on this coupons. Now over here this is my coupon, and I need to simply copy this and paste that over here. Now affiliate, custom selling price and custom currency are not required fields, so I am going to skip this. And over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and then click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now this user should be automatically enrolled in my TagMango account. So let's quickly open my TagMango. Now from over here, I have to go to this customers option on the left hand side, and I'll click on this customers, and I can see that I have created this new lead automatically and instantly. The phone number was this and the email address was newlead@pablitudes.com. Now to summarize, we took Paperform as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a form and received the response here in this workflow. After that, we moved to the next step where we took TagMango as our action application. And we entered all these details with the help of a method called mapping. We searched for the Mango ID in which we want to create this user and entered that and entered the coupon. After that, we simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this user being created and enrolled automatically and instantly in my TagMango account. So we have successfully created automation between Paperform and TagMango with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.